Hey folks, Rob here. Here's another car I got done. This is a 1957 Chevy X drag car, Shakertown Motors. They kind of turned it into a street car. It's got a tubular custom grill. And here's what we got for the motor. Of course, the car's got some rust. Found a fender from another 57 a long time ago. They put new tires on the car. Hopefully you can see it okay. And there it is with one of its distant cousins, the 49 Merc. And then over here we got the 58 Impala. So kind of put them so you can see them. But anyway, this is Robbie saying thanks for checking this out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Got a 58 in progress.